The question says we should simplify this expression. So how do we go about this solution? So when we look at this expression, it's a rational expression. 18 x raised to the power 8 from this place times, here we have this as 4x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3 divide, here we have this as 24x raised to the power 17. Okay, so when we look at the numbers, the constants, we have 18, we have 24, so we can simplify this. Okay, so here we can use 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, so we have here 3x raised to the power 8 at the numerator times, so when we look at this, we have 4x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3 divide, we have here 4x raised to the power 17. So as a result of simplifying 18 and 24 using 6, so we have 3 for 18, we have 4 for 24. Okay, so when we come back here, we have 3x raised to the power 8 times, here we have this as 4x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3 divide 4x raised to the power 17. And when we look at this, okay, we can apply the exponent rule. Okay, how do we do that? We multiply this with this. Okay, so let's simplify further. So we have 3x raised to the power 8, which is this, times. So when you apply the exponent rule, this external power will affect this 4 as well. So we have here as 4 raised to the power 3 as a result of this power. So for x, we have x raised to the power 3 times 3. Okay, as a result of this, so divide, we have this as 4x raised to the power 17. Okay, so from here we have this as 3x raised to the power 8. Okay, times, so for 4 raised to the power 3, we have it as this. For x raised to the power 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay, and multiply this, divide 4x raised to the power 17. Okay, so when we look at this, we can make the work look more easier. So this is 4. Okay, we have 4 out of this, so we have square. So here we have this as 3x raised to the power 8 times 4 square x raised to the power 9 divide x raised to the power 17. Okay, so here we have this as 3 times, so when we work on the constants on the numbers, so we have 4 squared to be 16. Okay, we can group that together. So we have x raised to the power 8, okay, times x raised to the power 9 over x raised to the power 17. For 3 times 16, that should be 48. Okay, so when we look at this, we have the same base, multiplying the same base. So when we look at the law of indices, okay, when we are multiplying the same base, we pick out 1. Okay, so we add the power as a result of this. So we have 8 plus 9 over is x raised to the power 17. Okay, so here we have this as 48. Okay, x, okay, which is this. When we add this together, we have this as 17. That's 48 times x to the power 17 divide x raised to the power 17, which is this. So we have this in common, so this can go. So we have our results to be 48.